This conference will now be recorded.
No. So today's session, we'll see how can we send the email notifications to the people by using email programming. We'll see practically. In yesterday's session, we have discussed how can we send the email notifications by using email programming and what are the various ready-made classes given by the Salesforce as part of messaging namespace, which is used to send the email notifications we have discussed. And along with that, we have discussed about the various functionalities of single email message class. And we have discussed what are the various methods are available as part of the single email message class and how to supply these values and then how to send the email notifications, how to add the attachments, all these things we have discussed theoretically. Now let's see the practical part. How can we do this? How can we send the email notification? Okay, we'll see practically. Now, so let's take a use case and then how to implement this functionality. We'll see practically.
Sir, can you explain the syntax once again?
Which syntax? Which method syntax?
The above one.
No.
Send email result.
So whenever if you want to send the email notifications to the people, okay, once the complete details have been specified, once you are supplying all the parameters like 2 email addresses, CC email addresses, BCC email addresses, reply to information, sender's display name, subject of the email, content of the email, attachments of the email. Once you are ready with supplying all this information to send the email notifications to people, we are using a method called as send email method. We have a method called as send email method, which is available inside this messaging namespace. In this messaging namespace, we have a method called as send email, which is used to send the email notifications to the people. So whatever the email notifications that you have prepared, then we can pass that list of email notifications information to the send email method. So it will be sending the email notifications to all the people in one shot. So now once the email notifications has been done, once I have sent, then how do we know whether email notifications has been delivered or not? For that reason, we are going to be using a class called as the send email result class. By using this send email result class, we can able to identify whether the email notification has been delivered successfully or not. We can able to collect that information also through program. That possibility is open. This is one syntax in order to send the email notification, or else if you want to send one single email notification to a single person, then we can able to indicate this second syntax. Messaging dot send email of new messaging dot single email message. Like as 1 or 2 is available, then we can able to form in the form of array. We can specify that single email message class object name over here. So we can use either this syntax or we can use this syntax also. Both are similar. Now,
First
now let's
syntax,
see the practical use cases over here on this one. How can we implement? Now, so now let's see how can we implement this functionality by using a practical use case. Now, for example, assume that I have a lead object. I'm having some lead object. So in this lead object, I would like to create some 10 lead records. Okay, I would like to create some 10 lead records or 5 lead records or 2 lead records, whatever, anything depends upon your requirement. I want to create the 5 lead records through programming. You know how to create the 5 lead records through programming, you know the concept. Now, once this 5 lead records has been created, then I want to send the email notification to these 5 lead people. Okay, to these 5 lead people, I want to send the email notification. notification. I want to send the email notification to these 5 lead people. That means I would like to collect the first lead person's email ID. I want to send one email notification. For the second email address, second lead person's email ID, I want to send one email notification. For the third person's email address, I would like to send one more notification. Like that, for the 5 people, I want to send the 5 email notifications. And then upon sending the email notifications, whatever the content I'm placing in that email, the same content I would like to collect, I would like to write inside a PDF file. Okay, I would like to write that information inside a PDF file. That means I want to generate the PDF file dynamically at runtime. Okay, I want to generate a PDF file dynamically at runtime. Okay, by giving a name at runtime, whatever the email content I'm delivering to the person, I want to collect that email content. That email content I want to write inside the PDF file. That PDF file I want to add as an attachment along with the email. Then I want to send it to the people. Like for example, let's come to a general scenario. Okay, let's come to a general scenario. Now, let me explain. For example, I'm having 3 people. For example, let's take that scenario. 3 people are there. I'm having 3 people. This is the person 1. This is the person 2. This is the person 3. So for example, we 3 are the 3 different persons. Like for example, myself. Person 1 is myself. Person 2 is some Manideep. And the person 3 is some Roshan. We are the 3 people. So we 3 people are using the ICICI Bank credit cards. We have an ICICI Bank. We have this ICICI Bank. So we are using ICICI Bank credit cards. We all 3 are using ICICI Bank credit cards. I'm also having a credit card from ICICI Bank. Manideep is also having a credit card from same ICICI Bank. And then Roshan is also having a credit card. We all 3 are using the credit cards from this ICICI Bank. So every day or every month, we are performing some transactions. By using my credit card, I did some transactions to purchase some products through online by using my credit card. I went to the shopping also. I went to the movie theater also. I went to some supermarket also. I purchased so many items by using my credit card. Like myself, Manideep also went to that various shopping malls to buy some item through his credit card. Like the similar way, Roshan did his own transaction through his credit card. Now, so we did some different transactions. Now, so now today is the month first. This is the first of that, for example. So as per the ICICI Bank policy, every month first, they will be generating the credit card bill, and then that bill they are sending to you through an email along with the credit card statement also as an attachment. Now, today is the month first. So I have received one email notification from the ICICI Bank. I have received one email notification from ICICI Bank. I have received one email notification from ICICI Bank regarding my credit card statement. So now upon sending this email notification, they are going to be adding that file also as an attachment, right? Yes. They are going to be adding that file also as an attachment. In this, along with this email, they are going to be adding that file also as an attachment. Okay, that the credit card bill, nothing but credit card statement, that are going to be adding as an attachment. So now here in this case, like myself, Manideep also has received the email notification from ICICI Bank regarding his credit card statement. Like myself, okay, Roshan also received the email notification from ICICI Bank regarding his credit card statement. So now tell me, in all these three email notification, content is same? No, content is different. Because my credit card number is different, my transactions are different, my bill amount is different. And then Manideep's account number, credit card number is different, his balance amount, credit card amount is different, his transactions are different. Like the similar way Roshan also. That means we three are receiving the email notifications. Okay, we three are receiving the email notifications from that ICICI Bank, but in this particular email notification, content is different. Okay, the content is different. And then, along with that, what the attachment is available. Nothing but credit card statement is available. In that credit card statement, okay, the content is also different. Because my transactions are different, Manideep's transactions are different, Roshan's transactions are different. So they're collecting my what transaction details in the last 1 month, what are the various online purchases that are made. They will collect all those details. Based on that, they're preparing one PDF file. That PDF file they're sending to. Like the similar way, so now they are collecting the Manideep's transactions information, they're adding inside a PDF file, they're sending that PDF file as an attachment. Like the similar way for Roshan also. Now in this case, what I want to do is, I want to create these three lead records. Lead record 1, lead record 2, lead record 3. So now once the three lead records I have created through programming, so now whatever the lead details are available, with those details, I want to send one email notification to the lead person's email ID. Okay, with that lead details, I would like to send one email notification to the lead person email ID. So now with this Manideep's details, I want to send second lead details, I would like to send one email notification. With the third lead details, I want to send one email notification. Now, in this case, whatever the lead details are available, I would like to collect this lead details. I would like to place inside a PDF file. Okay, I want to create a PDF file. Here, what is a PDF file? I want to give some different PDF file names. So now in this case, for my attachment, I want to give the PDF file name as Firoz.pdf. Okay, Firoz.pdf. For Manideep's account, whatever the PDF file I would like to attach, the file name will be Manideep.pdf. And the Roshan, the PDF will be Roshan.pdf. Three PDF files I want to generate over here, dynamically at runtime. Whatever the email content is available here inside this email, that email content I want to collect, I want to write inside this PDF file. I want to generate this PDF file dynamically at runtime. I want to add as an attachment. I want to send the email notification to the lead person's email ID. Like the similar way. So now whatever the Manideep, nothing but second lead record details are available. I would like to collect the details. I want to prepare one email notification. Then that email content I would like to write inside a PDF file. By preparing the PDF file with the name Manideep.pdf, I want that as an attachment. Like the similar way, Roshan.pdf file. So then how to generate this PDF? Now let's see practically, and how to send the email notification along with attachment C. This is what the use case I want to implement right now. Okay, the similar manner the bank people are doing, nothing else. Now let's see. Let's take a small use case. Write an Apex program to create 3 lead records inside the object. 3 lead records inside the object, and send the email notifications to all 3 lead records with the required subject and content. And write the email content inside a PDF file, and attach the file along with the email as an attachment. And write the email content inside the PDF file and attach the PDF file along with the email as an attachment. This is my requirement. Then how can we do this? Now let's see practical. Now, so let me create 3 lead records right now. I want to give some different details in each and every lead. Okay, let me create the 3 lead records manually. Sorry, like by using programming. Now, let me go to the developer console. I'm creating a new Apex class. I'm creating an Apex class with the name messaging helper. Okay, messaging helper class. I'm creating a class with the name, okay, messaging helper. So I'm preparing a method. Public static void create lead records. Create lead records. So this is the method which I would like to use to create the lead records. Now, so now how many lead records I want to create? 3. Okay, 3 lead records I want to create. For that one, I would like to prepare a list collection. List of lead lst lead records equals to new list of lead. I'm creating this list collection to store all these 3 lead records information so that I can able to insert these 3 lead records into my object in one shot. Now, I want to prepare the lead records. First lead record. I would like to prepare the first lead here. Lead some LD equals to new lead. Now, I'm creating this lead class object and then I'm passing the values. Lead dot first. I'm indicating some keywords. Lead dot last name. I'm indicating some bill. Lead dot email. I'm indicating lead dot rating. I'm indicating the value some heart. Lead dot industry. I'm indicating some technology. Lead dot annual revenue. I'm indicating some 30 lakhs. Lead dot company. I'm indicating some Autodesk Incorporation. Lead dot status. I'm indicating open not contacted. Lead dot phone. I'm giving some value. Lead dot fax. I'm giving some value. Lead dot PAN. Lead dot city. I'm indicating some Hyderabad. Lead dot state. I'm indicating some Telangana. Lead dot country. I'm indicating like some India. Lead dot postal code. I'm indicating 500038. This is the first lead record information. Like the similar way, I want to create 2 more leads. Now, once the lead record is ready, I would like to add to that collection here. LST leads dot add of LD. So I have added this lead record to the collection. Like the similar way, I want to create 2 more lead records. No. Create the second lead record. Now I would like to pass the values. I'm collecting this information. I'm indicating LD1. First name, I'm indicating some Manideep. Last name, I'm indicating like a some Kumar. Now, so Manideep and Roshan, could you please give me your email IDs? Rating, I'm indicating heart. Industry, I'm indicating like as some finance. Annual revenue, some 45 lakhs. Company, I'm indicating like as some IBM. Okay, IBM Incorporation. Phone number, I'm giving some different value. Fax number, I'm giving some different. City, some Hyderabad, Telangana, India, and then postal code, like I'm indicating 500021. So this is the Manideep's record over here, and then I would like to add the email ID. I have placed this information. Now there is a second lead record. Once the lead record is ready, then I would like to add that lead record to my collection. I'm adding this lead record. I have added that second lead record also to the collection. Like the similar way, I would like to add the third lead record. I want some different values. That's what I'm preparing 3 lead records separate. Lead some LD2 equals to new lead 2. I'm passing these values. Okay, I'm passing these values. LD2 dot first name. I'm indicating some Roshan. So I'm going to be collecting the email ID over here. I'm passing this email ID. Rating value some heart. Industry some banking. Annual revenue some 50 lakhs. Company I'm indicating like some Tata Telecommunications or some Tata Motors. And then I'm indicating the phone number. I'm giving the fax number. And the city is some Bangalore. State, I'm indicating like some Karnataka. India, I'm indicating some value. Okay, 600038, some value. And then I would like to add this record to the collection. LST lead records dot add of. So this is the record. 3 records are there inside my collection. I have a listed collection, okay, which will be storing a collection of lead records, and then in that collection, I have stored 3 lead records with different details. Okay, this is the first lead record with my details. Second lead record with the Manideep's details. Third lead record, okay, with the Roshan's details. I'm entering all this information. Now, once the lead records are available inside the collection, I would like to insert. If LST lead records is not empty, if the collection is not empty, Then I would like to insert, if this collection is not empty, I would like to insert lst lead records. I'm inserting this lead records. Okay, now no. So now I'm inserting this lead records. So once these three lead records has been inserted successfully inside my object, now I want to send the email notifications to these three lead people. I want to send the email notification to these three lead people, okay, by adding their lead information. Whatever the lead details are available, I would like to collect those lead details. Based on those lead details, I would like to send the email notification by preparing the content. Then how can we do that? Now let's see. So that I'm preparing a separate method. I'm preparing one more method. Public static void send email notification alert. Public static void send email notification alert. So to whom you want to send the email notification? To the lead people. So that I'm passing the list collection, list of lead. lst. I'm preparing a method which will be receiving the list of lead records to whom you want to send the email notifications. I want to call this method where once the lead records has been inserted successfully, then I would like to invoke this method. Invoke the method to send the email alerts. I'm invoking this method by passing lst lead records. So what are the lead records that have inserted right now? So now I am going to passing this lead records to my method. Now this method will be receiving this list of lead records by storing inside this parameter. And then from there, I would like to iterate each and every lead record. And then I would like to send the email notification. So then how can we do that? Now let's see practically in this case. Now, I would like to specify this information. So before sending the email notification, first of all, I want to verify whether this collection is empty or not. I want to verify if lst leads is not empty. If the collection is not empty, then I would like to iterate the collection. Each and every lead record from the collection. Okay, now, so I'm collecting this leads collection. I would like to verify whether this collection is empty or not. If the collection is not empty, then I would like to collect each and every lead record, okay, from this collection. Okay, I would like to collect each and every lead record from the collection. Now I want to prepare the email notification. Prepare the email notification. So now I would like to prepare the email notification content over here. Now, in this case, how can we prepare this email notification content? Now let's see practically. Now, so for that reason, I'm going to preparing that single email message class. So we can use messaging dot single email message. Email equals to new messaging dot single email message. For each and every lead record, I'm collecting the lead details here. Based on that lead details, I want to send the email notification. For that, I'm preparing the single email message class object. Now pass the required parameters. I would like to pass the two address. For that one, I'm preparing the string parameter to address equals to new string parameter. Here we can able to specify that lead person's email ID. First lead, nothing but my requirement here, my lead record. So that I would like to collect that lead record's email ID. So we can specify lead record dot comma. Along with that, I would like to add one more email address over here as a CC copy. For example, @gmail.com. I'm adding one more email address also over here. Not only to this particular email address, I would like to send the email notification to this email address also. One more copy. Both are in the two address fields. Whatever the lead record's email ID is there, to that lead record email ID, one copy I want to send, and another copy I want to send to this email ID also. I want to specify the two addresses. So email dot set two addresses. I would like to pass this two address field. I'm passing this to address. Like the similar way, we can able to pass the CC address, BCC address also. Okay, CC address and the BCC address also we can able to pass. Now, and then I would like to specify that set reply to. Set reply to. I'm going to be indicating that reply to like as support@sometel.com. Email dot set a sender display name. I'm indicating that information. ICICI Bank credit cards. ICICI Bank credit cards. I'm indicating support@some ICICIbank.com. Or else I'm indicating alert.icicibank.com. I'm indicating this set sender display name also. And then I'm indicating email dot set subject. What will be the subject? We need to specify that subject. I'm preparing the email subject over here. String email subject. I'm indicating dear lead person or congratulations. Congratulations. I want to add the lead person first name. Lead record dot first name plus I'm giving one space over here. Lead record dot last name, and then I'm indicating your credit card statement for the month of September 2020 or for some August 2020. So now here I'm going to be indicating that. Okay, dear lead person, congratulations, lead person's first name plus lead person last name. So now your credit card statement for the month of August 2020. This is my email subject. So now you'd like to add this email subject in this place. I'm passing this subject. So this is the email subject which I would like to send to the people. Now, I want to prepare the email content. Email content equals to dear lead person. I would like to use HTML content over here. Dear lead person's email ID. Lead record dot first name. I'm giving the space. Lead record dot last name. I'm adding this. So I'm giving a comma and then I'm giving the two break lines. I'm using HTML tags also. I'm going to preparing the HTML email content. Don't expect simply the simple message. I would like to make this email content a bit lengthy. Generally, when you go to the courses, simply the people will specify subject high, content high. They will simply send, oh, okay, email notification is sending. That's it, over. Then they will go to the next topic. But we have to explain with a practical scenario, use case. Now. So now here in this case, I'm going to be adding this content. So now here, lead person's first name and then last name. I'm giving the 2-line breaks. So now we are pleased to inform you that your credit card statement for the month of August 2020 has been generated. And then I'm giving 2 break lines. Okay, I'm giving 2 break lines. Now, here are your details. Okay, here are your customer details. Here are your customer details. I'm indicating 2 break lines. I'm indicating this details. Lead ID. Lead record ID. Lead record dot ID. Collecting the ID of the lead. And then I'm giving the break tag. Lead person name. I'm indicating lead dot first name. Last name. I'm giving a break tag. Lead person, lead rating. I want to indicate the lead rating. Lead recorded dot. I'm indicating a break tag. Industry name. Lead recorded dot industry. Lead annual review. Now, I would like to specify. I'm giving the break tag. Lead contact. Lead recorded dot. I'm giving one more break tag. Fax number. Lead recorded dot fax number. I'm giving the break tag. Company name. Company. And I'm giving the break tag. Lead status. Status. And what are the other fields we have added? email address we need to add. And the email address. Lead person's email address. I'm giving that break line. Contact address or mailing address. I'm indicating that lead recorded dot city plus I'm going to be indicating a comma. I'm giving a break tag. I'm going to be indicating that, or else I would like to give, instead of giving the break tag, I would like to give that complete one by one. In the same row, I would specify this information also. I'm giving a comma, lead city, lead recorded dot state, comma, lead recorded dot country, comma, lead recorded dot postal code. These are the details. And along with that, I'm giving two breakpoints. I'm giving two breakpoints. And then after that, I would like to indicate, please go to the credit card statement. Please go through the attached credit card statement. So I'm going to be indicating, please go through the attached credit card statement and make the payment on or before the due date. Okay, due date. So I'm going to indicating the due date over here on or before the due date. I'm indicating the due date. System dot today dot add days of 15. System dot today dot add days of 15 dot format. I'm going to be indicating this. So I'm giving that 15 days of time to the people over here in order to make that payment for that credit card. Now, I would like to give the two break tags. This is a system generated email. So please do not reply. I'm giving the two break tags. Please contact on the below address if any queries. So I'm indicating the two break tags. Thanks and regards. I'm giving the break tag. I says credit card department. I'm giving the break tag. ICICI Bank. This is my email content, which I would like to send to the people over here. So this is the email content which I would like to send to the people over here. Like for example, I want to send the email content. Dear, okay, dear Manideep Kumar, we are pleased to inform you that your credit card statement has been for the month of August 2020 has been generated. And then I'm indicating here are your customer details and the lead icon, lead record ID. Here the lead ID I'm adding, lead name, rating value, industry, and the annual revenue, and the contact number, fax number, company name, and the status, and the email address, and the mailing address. All this information I'm adding inside this. Okay, all this information I'm adding inside this. Once the whole information has been added, I'm indicating, please go through the attached credit card statement and then make the payment on or before the 15 days from now onwards. Okay, I'm going to be adding that 15 days time over here, and then I'm going to be indicating this is a system generated email. Okay, please do not reply. Now, so this is the email content which I would like to share to the people. Now, I'm indicating this email dot set HTML body because I'm using HTML content of email, so that here I'm going to be using HTML body. So this is the email content which I would like to deliver. Okay, which is I would like to deliver. So I have specified the required information. In order to send the email notification, I have specified the to address also, reply to also, sender's display name also, email subject also, email content also. Now I would like to prepare the attachment here. Prepare the attachment. How can we prepare the attachment? For that one, we are using a class called as messaging dot email file attachment. Email file attachment. Attach equals to new messaging dot email file attachment. I'm using a class which is used to prepare one PDF file, dynamic return time. In that PDF file, I would like to write this email content. Now, so that here I'm indicating that email file attachment. I need to pass the required parameters. Attach dot set file name. You will be having that set file. In this set file name, I would like to specify that file name. What is the name of that file? I'm going to be indicating based on the lead name I would like to prepare. Whenever you are receiving the credit card statement, that statement file name will be what is that file name? That file name will be like as your name, nothing but your credit card, the credit card number, or it may be your customer ID number will be available. So here I would like to indicate lead record dot first name plus I'm giving one space and the lead record dot last name dot PDF. Okay, set file name. I'm indicating that file name over here. This is the name of that file which I would like to prepare, which is of type PDF. And then attach a dot. Okay, attach a dot. I would like to specify that body. So now what will be the body over here? Whatever the email content that I have prepared, that email content I want to write inside this PDF file. Now I would like to specify blob dot to PDF. Okay, there is a data type that already you know. Blob is one of the data type, binary large object. Blob dot to PDF of email content. So whatever the email content that we have, this email content I'm passing to this particular blob dot to PDF method. So whatever the content is available in this particular variable, this content is going to be converting into that binary format. That binary format of content is writing into the PDF file. It will be writing that into the PDF file. It will be adding as an attachment. I need to add as an attachment. So now my PDF file will be getting prepared over here. And then this PDF file I would like to add as an attachment aligned with the email. How can we add? So now we are having email dot set file attachments. But here what it is expecting? It is expecting listic collection over here. List of messaging dot email file attachment. But I'm having only one. How can we pass in the form of a list? For that one, I'm preparing a listic collection over here. List of messaging dot email file attachment. Now LSD attachments equals to new list of messaging dot email file attachment. And in this collection, I would like to add LSD attachments dot add of attach. So because it is expecting in the form of collection, okay, it is expecting in the form of collection, but I'm having only one. So what needs to be done? Prepare one collection and then add that single into your collection over here. Then we can able to add this attachment to the email. Add the attachment to the email. How can we add email dot set file attachments? Here we can able to pass that collection. This is the collection. I'm passing this collection. Okay, now. So now once this email is ready, we can able to send the notification. I'm ready with the entire content. Email content is ready. Email attachments are also ready. So what needs to be done? This for loop is iterating for how many times? 3 times. So 3 times it is sending this email notification. Can we do it as a bulkification? Yes, because this entire email notification is available inside this messaging that single email message class. Okay, in this particular email only we are passing all this information. Now, for that reason, I would like to make it as a bulkification process. For that one, I'm preparing the list collection. List of messaging dot single email message. LSD email alerts equals to new list of messaging dot single email message.
You're creating a list for the bulkification purpose?
Yes, I'm creating this list for the bulkification purpose. So now once this email notification is ready for this particular single user, I would like to add this email to the collection. Add the email alert to the collection. LSD email alerts dot add of email. Once all the 3 email alerts have been added to the collection, then I would like to send the email notifications. Now, so once this for loop has been done, in one shot I would like to send. I'm going to verify this. If LSD email alerts is not empty, if the collection is not empty, then I want to send the email notification. How? By using messaging dot send email. Here we can able to pass the list of email notifications. That means this is the collection which I would like to send. And we can pass the second parameter as false, and then we can store the result inside this messaging dot send email result.
False and true is a default property of that particular class, or
yes. False in the sense this is nothing but allow the partial processing. Even though for one email for email ID, if it is unable to send the email notification, just ignore it, send it to the second one, like that. Now, so this is the way we are going to sending that email notifications. Now let me show you. So what we did, I have prepared the 3 lead records with different details. I have added these 3 lead record details to my collection. I'm inserting these lead records. Once the lead records are ready, I'm passing these lead records to the method. This method is collecting all these 3 lead records. It is collecting each and every lead record from the collection. Based on this lead details, it is preparing that email notification content. Along with that, it is preparing one attachment also. It is preparing the attachment also. Now this attachment, it is going to be adding along with that email. Now, so like that here, this process will be getting iterated. Okay, this process will be getting iterated. So this process will be getting iterated for 3 times over here, because we are having the 3 emails, 3 lead records are available. So the 3 times it will be getting iterated. It is going to be preparing these 3 email contents. It will prepare 3 email contents over here. So once the email contents are available here, it is going to be adding the attachments also. Okay, it is adding the attachments also over here. Now, so in this case, I'm going to specify this email notifications. I'm preparing this attachment. In this attachment, I'm specifying that based on that lead person's name, I'm preparing this PDF file. And I'm indicating that content also. I'm indicating that content type as well. It has attachment dot set content. I would like to indicate it should be in the form of a PDF. So I'm indicating application slash PDF. Okay, so now please prepare this content in the form of application slash PDF. This is the application content type. And then I would like to specify that the body, nothing but what will be the content you would like to write inside this file. And then I would like to add that file as an attachment along with this email. I'm going to be adding to my collection here. Once all the 3 lead records email notifications are available, I'm sending those email notifications by using send email. Now, so this is the way we are going to preparing this email notifications. So now let me execute this method. I'm calling this method messaging helper dot create lead record. As soon as once I'm going to be calling this create lead records method, it will be creating the lead records and then it will be sending the email notifications also. Now, let me log in into my Gmail application first. Now, so now let me execute this piece of code. Click on execute, and then it will be creating the 3 lead records over here. And it will send the email notification to your email ID automatically. Once the 3 lead records has been created successfully, it will send the email notification to your email ID here. Now, I have received this email notification over here. ICICI Bank credit card. Okay, ICICI Bank credit card department. Now, let's see. So it is indicating congratulations, Firoz Beg, your credit card statement for the month of August, okay, 2000. So it is indicating that dear, the first name and the last name, it is indicating we are pleased to inform you that your credit card has been generated over here. So this is the credit card customer details. This is the lead ID and the name, rating value, industry, annual revenue, contact number, phone, fax, mailing address, and everything. Along with that, it has prepared one PDF file also with the name myself. Okay, with my name. Okay, firozbeg.pdf. When you open this PDF file, we can see that content. Whatever the email content that I have prepared, that same content I have written inside this particular PDF file also. So we can able to see this information. Please go through the attached credit card statement and make the payment on or before 18th. Because today is 3rd, so now I have given 15 days of time. So by 18th, they have to pay the credit card bill. So this information we can able to prepare in the form of a table or format also. So we can able to use HTML table tags and then we can able to write that content inside that table or format also. This is how they are going to be generating that. Okay, this is how they are going to be generating that credit card statements also, and they're sending those credit card statements to your email notification automatically. They're using that HTML tags. Through those HTML tags, they are going to be preparing the table. In the table, they are going to be writing each and every transaction entry. And so and so date, this is the transaction ID, this is the amount. So and so date, transaction ID, amount. Total amount they are going to be indicating over there. This is how they are going to be sending that email notifications through programmatically. Like myself, okay, both Manideep and the Roshan has received the email notifications also. Both the people will be receiving the email notification with their details over there. Now let me log in into that email notification because I have added another email address in that as a copy. Let me log in into that. I can see all the 3 emails. I have received 3 email notifications. Congratulations, Manideep Kumar. This is the Manideep Kumar's record over here. Okay, Manideep Kumar's record. So now here it is indicating, congratulations, Manideep Kumar, your credit card statement has been generated. So here when you see this one, it is indicating the PDF file name as Manideep Kumar. When you open this one, you can see the Manideep Kumar's details information inside this. All this information will be getting available inside this. Like the similar way. So now it has created my record here. I can see my record information also, my credit card statements, because it is having that file name, okay, firozbeg@pdf.com. And then when coming to the Roshan also, Roshan's record also, he is also receiving an email notification because I have added my email address as a CC copy over there. Okay, sorry, I have added as a to address another copy also. So now dear Roshan Boyar, and then this is your credit card statement, and then when you observe this one, it is indicating this PDF file. So the PDF file has been generated with his details over here. Like that, here we can able to send the email notification to the multiple people also, okay, by adding some attachments also along with the email. This is how we are going to be sending the email notification, okay, from Salesforce, okay, through with the help of email programming, and we can able to prepare the attachments also dynamically at runtime. We can write some content inside that PDF file also. We can add that PDF file as an attachment. We can send it to the people through email notifications with the help of bulkification process. Okay, this is how we are going to be sending the email notifications to the people by adding that attachments also. Okay. So in the tomorrow session, we see one more feature, okay, one more small concept also as part of this, okay, development. Tomorrow I will show you one small feature like as invocable methods. How to invoke an Apex class from Process Builder. Okay, how to invoke an Apex class from Process Builder we'll see in tomorrow's session. That feature is called as invocable methods. How to implement invocable methods we'll see in tomorrow's session. Okay, yeah, tell me.